What's up, YouTube? All right, fuck you guys. All right, no, we're not cutting that. We're keeping it raw, okay? I haven't posted a video in 2 months, probably a month and a half, 2 months. Sorry about it. Sorry I haven't posted a video in the last 2 months. I got a girl pregnant, but I'm having a baby, so eat my fucking sack. Yeah, thanks for 1,900, and I think we're at like 1,997 subs now. That's fucking badass. So today we're gonna be at my gender reveal. Enjoy. Thanks, peace out, love, bye.
What you got to say about that? Whoa.
Team boy or team girl? Girl.
Team boy or team girl?
Team boy.
Team boy. It's just from diapers.
Team boy. Wait, who you referring to?
Yeah, you can do both.
Girl.
I was thinking of they, them.
Oh my. What? Boy or girl? It.
Girl. Boy or girl?
Girl. 100%.
Fucking ask me.
You have to ask. It doesn't work if you don't ask.
Oh, boy or girl?
That's a good question. I haven't thought about it.
Gay son thought daughter.
Thought daughter. Every time.
Boy or girl?
Girl.
Girl. Boy or girl?
Boy. She says girl.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
I think it's a girl.
I think they're going to have a girl.
I'm hoping for a pony.
Hi, it's Aunt Lisa. I think it's a little girl.
Unfortunately, my child hates them. I probably have like 50 to 60 just hanging up in Oakland's room.
Let's do
The
this.
therapist asked me the other day. She goes,
boy.
What do I have to do with this thing?
It's a microphone.
Oh, that's hair.
Makeup brush.
It's going to be a girl, I'm sure.
boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy or girl?
Girl. Boy. Girl.
I really think it's a girl.
Boy. For sure.
Well, I can't make up my mind, so I think it's a boy or a girl.
Ready? Team girl all the way.
I'm team boy.
Girl.
Boy or girl?
Girl.
Boy or girl?
Girl.
I am team girl. You think it's a boy or a girl? Boy or girl?
No.
He thinks it's a boy.
Okay, well, I'm going to go with Bailey's Facebook post that he made, and I'm going to say it's an alien. But I'm hoping for a boy.
I believe it's going to be a boy.
I'm Uncle Jojo, and I think it's a boy.
Think it's a girl.
I'm the grandpa, and I'm excited because I already know what it is.
Boy.
I'm Amelia. I think it's gonna be a girl.
I'm Nana. I think it's going to be a boy. Just say boy.
Boy. Was I holding it close enough? I hope so. Wait, did I say boy? Yeah, you did. Girl. What am I doing? All right. Girl. Girl.
Definitely a boy.
Beautiful Sammy baby.
I think it's going to be a boy.
I just like it. Either baby would make it's perfect for me. So.
I think it's gonna be a girl.
Gigi, I already know what you are, so I can't say anything.
Hey, I'm Ryder, and I think you're a girl.
Think it a girl.
Go.
Girl. Girl.
Hey, no, we don't need it.
Okay. Okay, put your blindfold on. I'll put mine on. Put it on. You ready? All right, take your blindfold off. Heavy? It's a girl. All right, let's see if I can get a better one, right? That's right. Here, I told you. Here, get out of that thing. Let me show you how to do it.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Oh, I hit the other button on the side.
You want to get them out of the way?
All right, girls, watch out.
Now that's a lot of damage.
Ah. Woo!
Wow.
Yeah.
That one. Man.
That was a good burnout. That was awesome. I hit fucking third, man.
Oh my God.
I had a feeling, dude. I had a feeling it was going to be a girl, I'm not going to lie. But I'm so excited to have a girl. That was fucking awesome.
Told you.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
That's how you do it, dude.
Yep. Thank you.
That was awesome. Man, you're still home there.
No check engine lights, so we're good.
Okay.
Still sounds good.
That was weird though.
I thought it blew out. I thought my sidewall was, I thought it was gone.
I think it was the so much the tire was in the air.
It just boof, combusted,
burned all the
yeah.
fucking fumes, yeah.
Fucking exciting. Yeah, fuck yeah, it was. That was fucking awesome. Yeah.
Congratulations.
I hit third. I'm like, it's either gonna spin him or it's not.
That was a cool finale.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Did great. Hey, my Mustang ain't got no traction control stuff.
What up, gang? I got a fiance now. The camera? Can you see like the discoloration? Yeah. Yeah, don't wipe off. The car looks fucking brown now, like a burgundy. Like it's the 70s or something. That's kind of sad. That's kind of stressful because I don't. Hopefully E85 works like Jake said.
E85 will take that shit off, no problem.
Yeah, I'll probably do that. Man.
I know it definitely eats rubber off very well.
Yeah. Dude, it's like fucking brown.
Hey.
Oh, that's all right.
Simba.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it pink or is it?
It's like purple. Pink and black.
Really?
Yeah, it's purple.
That's not gonna come off, dude. Like it's like ink. It's literally like ink, like it's stuck. Couldn't fucking breathe when I was doing that burnout. It all came in. I'm like, and then I heard it go poof, and I was like, fuck. I'm like, fucking just, I thought I just completely destroyed my fender. My tire blew up, whatever. So that I had to play it cool for the crowd. You know what I mean? So I had to smile and wave like those penguins.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
But thankfully that didn't happen. I just caught it on fire. YouTube, thank you guys so much for almost 2,000 subscribers. Sorry I haven't posted a video in the last 2 months. I got a girl pregnant, so she's now my fiance.